What's up, everybody? Welcome to the German-Lee Tuning YouTube channel. My name is Brad, and I really didn't think I'd be making this video so soon. I had a feeling that, eventually something would happen on the GTI, but I mean, it hasn't even been that long since I got it running, and my transmission is broken, to kind of put it lightly. I was driving and put the clutch in, shifted into neutral at a light, went to hit first gear, and it was completely locked out of first gear. I was like, oh, well, all right. So I went to hit second gear, completely locked out of second gear. I'm like, this is very weird. All right. So I have third gear, which is cool, but no fourth or sixth. So right now I have third and fifth gear in the Project GTI. I really don't know what it is yet. Usually when you get locked out of two gears, it's something on that shift selector or that synchro, but when you get locked out of almost every gear except third and fifth, which aren't on the same synchro, something is pretty crazy going on inside. Speculation right now is that two of my shift selecting levers came apart or broke away and are blocking the ability to shift into those gears. Like I said, I've never seen this issue, and it's probably really, really rare for this to happen. So I'm heading up to this shop right now, and I'm gonna take the transmission out, take it apart, and inspect what's going on. So that'll be on another video. I just wanted to kind of give you guys a heads up that the GTI is down right now. I'm currently driving it, which is cool. 109 degrees out, so it's a little warm. But yeah, if I go to shift into sixth, nothing, fourth, nothing. It's got fifth. So yeah, pretty crazy. Definitely be tearing it apart and finding out what's going on here soon, and that'll be another video. But for now, this is kind of where it's at, and I will definitely update you guys along the way, and I'll do a teardown video of taking the transmission apart, figuring out what's wrong, and then reassembling it and getting it all back up and running. So this is delayed. Right now the car is not tuned. I haven't done any tuning on it yet. I have the stage 1 tune partially built for it, but I currently have a I guess it's one of those insurance tracking device deals on the car to try to lower the insurance a little bit. So I am driving it really chill until middle of August. So that's a bummer, and that's kind of delayed the tuning process, but this is delaying it even further now because I need to fix the transmission. So I'm not anticipating it being something super, super expensive to fix, but if it is, then, we'll have to cross that bridge when it comes. But until then, thanks guys for watching, and definitely subscribe and hit the like on the video because it definitely helps out, and stay tuned for more GTI project stuff. Thanks for watching.